On Fiji Village on Record this afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm Vijay Narayan here in the Fiji Village newsroom. And the common name Fijian continues to attract a lot of debate with the Roko Tui Bau, Ratu Timoci Tavanavanua, making a strong statement today that according to his understanding and assessment, he believes our national identity should reflect the biblical principle that we are one people, and he believes that Fijian can be a name that includes all of us equally. He made this statement in an article that has been sent to Fiji Village, and he says, obviously, others may beg to differ with him, but we are all entitled to our thoughts and views. Ratu Timoci says the recommendation by the GCC to reserve the term Fijian exclusively for Itoke reflects a deeply rooted cultural perspective, and it also raises important questions about inclusion and the direction of Fiji's national identity. Now, he says all assessments should be made, and based on understanding, there should be dialogue on this. But he says calling all citizens Fijians promotes unity across ethnic lines, reduces institutionalized division, and encourages a shared sense of belonging. The Roko Tui Bau says Fiji's history shows how quickly ethnic distinctions can become politicized. He says a shared national identity can lower ethnic tension, strengthen democratic cohesion, and reduce us versus them narratives. Now, this afternoon, we also spoke to Prime Minister Sitiveni Rabuka, a quick question on his response to the GCC submission to the Constitution Review Commission, and he has said if Itoke want Itoke identity as their label, if every Fijian want Itoke, Indo-Fijian or whatever, he says Itoke is one word that belongs to all the Itoke. And then his last comment is it is not an Itoke word anyway. This was in relation to the use of common name Fijian for everyone. No doubt more submissions will be made. The NGO Coalition on Human Rights also came out strongly saying that this should not push ahead in terms of the common name of Fijian being taken away. They also are very concerned with the secular state being taken away as proposed by the GCC. They're saying strong submissions have to be made, and we should not be going into a place of division and should focus on unity. Stay on Fiji Village. We'll have all the submissions. For Fiji Village News, I'm Vijay Narayan.